I just want to let you guys know that I'm still still make skateboarding videos, but I just don't upload just as much. And the reason is because when I go and skate, I just want to skate. I don't want to have to worry about setting up my camera, which takes time. And then you have those days where you just don't land anything. It's kind of frustrating, but for the main reason, I really just enjoy skating. I just want to skate. I don't want to have to worry about setting up my camera once again, because that does take up some time. But on this day right here, it's my first time skating in like 2 weeks, because it's been raining the entire time, which kind of sucks here in Italy. The weather's just, it's sort of bipolar, but then again, sometimes it's like really consistent out of nowhere. But yeah, I don't really have anything to talk about this. Basically just cruising around right now, just warming up. Oh, that no slide attempt was horrible. But yeah, usually this rail right here is like super wax or whatever, but it was alright today. It wasn't too slick. This park isn't bad at all. It's not that big and it's not that small necessarily. It's located on base, so it's like perfect walking distance for me. You know, I go there, get a nice session in, concrete smooth. They got some low profile type obstacles, and overall it's nice until it gets hot, because the ramps are metal, so they get super slick and you fall on it, you're definitely getting burned. Other than that, it's a fairly alright park. But yeah, I decided to strap the GoPro on top of my head. I had a hat on, my hat turned on backwards, and the GoPro on top of that, and just decided to cruise around a little bit and film some stuff for you guys since I haven't uploaded in a bit. I noticed my subscribers is like slowly going up, and I haven't really uploaded on that channel at all. Don't know why that's happening, but it's whatever. I don't really care about subscribers, don't care about views anymore. I literally just stopped caring about that stuff. That stuff is like almost poisoning as far as like social media goes, you know, like likes and all that crap. Just once you start worrying about that stuff, you drive yourself crazy, and you run into a creative run. It like stops you from creating as much, because you want to cater to what the audience wants instead of what you want, which that creates a problem right here. Here's one of my favorite tricks I like to do on flat bars. It's my go-to trick. I love backside feebles 180 out, so it's just perfect. Trying to search for a good song. I think I was listening to like rock music, hard rock music here, and then I saw this obstacle and decided to move that over a little bit and try to set it up. Nollie flips are horrible. Just I'm trash at nollie flips. But yeah, the park isn't bad at all. The only other thing about this park is usually there's a lot of kids here. One day I'll 50-50 this picnic table. But yeah, there's usually a lot of kids here when it's like a bright and sunny day, and it kind of sucks, because it's just kids running around, not really skating or anything like that. You got a few that skate, but for the most part, it's just kids using it as another playground, even though there's a playground right beside it. But yeah, it's still cool, whatever. It started raining a little bit, and I got a little bit worried because I had just got there. So I was trying to get tricks in. I was willing to wait it out. And after this session, it had rained just enough for the entire park to get wet so you can't skate and stuff, and just not enough for everything else to be dry as far as like the street go. But the part was like wet enough to where you couldn't skate anymore. So got super tired right here after like trying to get this box trick forever non-stop. Yeah, I was like really tired of trying it. Shout out to GoPro. I like this trick right here too, half cap crooks, a really nice trick. I was super close to landing it just then. I just had to go a little bit more faster. But yeah, guys, I've just been chilling this entire time on moving off base, which is a huge plus. Yeah, found an apartment, and I'm just steadily getting things ready to move off base. So happy to be able to move off base and kind of get away from Americans and kind of actually be in the culture of Italy, being around Italians and stuff. So it's gonna be pretty nice. Yeah, I just could not get it. It literally was just a back 50 into another 50. Like, I don't know why that was so hard. Surprised I wasn't slipping super hard on the back threes. That's also another one of my favorite go-to tricks is a back three across the pyramid. Love that trick. Like ever since I learned them, I have not stopped. Took me forever to learn those. But I'm literally just chilling right here. Trying to get this trick. Decided to do it in line for some reason. Just struggling hard. But yeah, I might start uploading more of these kind of videos. Just kind of chill, relax, and talking to you guys. But not much has been going on. It's about time for me to get a new setup as well. I got flat spots all in my wheels. And you can hear it. That was a solid one. That was a really good one. But yeah, I haven't been traveling as much. The last place I went to was Croatia, which was like a few weeks ago. So haven't been doing too much. Been skating here or there. Went to a new park and skated there for a little bit. It's super small, but they got some really great quality equipment to skate on. So obstacles to skate on. So I might make a video there, mingle with the locals. Oh yeah, that water over here was like super muggy and had a heavy mud inside it. It just sucked. You can like tell that it wasn't just like a normal puddle. It had mud mixed in it and everything. I ain't gonna lie, I was pretty bummed on this. This sucked. About to start classes in a week and a half. So that'll keep me busy as well. Might not be able to upload as much, but that's whatever. The board is alright. Just a little bit bummed. This is right after. Still trying to get that line. But yeah, I highly advise you guys, to the people that want to start a YouTube channel, just start uploading videos simply because you like uploading videos. If you're trying to do it for the views and subscribers and all that crap, you're gonna go insane and it's not gonna be a good experience. You just have to literally not care about that stuff. Don't feel pressure to upload or anything like that. Just upload simply for you. The only reason I like to film stuff and upload it is because I can look back at it later on in life. That's it. I just like creating memories and I like capturing emotions. That's all. Love watching progression. Love it. Yeah, I was really struggling with this line. Super tired. And then I hit a rock right here. Was bummed out on that. And then I messed up on the back three right after that. Just, I'm trying to figure out how to get a better angle at holding the GoPro down as far as like with the head strap. Because at some point I put in a super wide view and I was able to get this look, which looks a lot better than just the normal wide view. But yeah. I think I got it. This clip right here. I definitely did not get it. Alright, no, that was a really good back three. Like, actually, that was a good one. I think I just might make more relaxed videos instead of trying to like edit it up all super fancy and do all this stuff with it. This right here is pretty lax as is. Yeah, the camera just kept wiggling on my head and the strap wasn't tight enough and I couldn't get it to adjust right. I tried a bunch of different stuff. I think this was the best one I can get. No, not that one. Okay, no, wait. Okay, it's definitely this line right here then. Alright, nice solid back three. Push around a little bit on some smooth concrete. You can see the mountains from the part too. That's also pretty dope. Another solid cab crud. Nice feeling trick. Had to fix the camera. And then got in this clip right here. So yeah. Oh, that was whatever. But yeah, that's it guys. And just I'll upload a video whenever. Just letting you know that I'm still here. Alright, peace. Catch you guys later.